Hey guys, in this video I'm going to be answering the question why the VPN is not working in Saudi Arabia. If you find this video helpful, please consider to like this video and subscribe to my channel. In saying that, let's just jump straight into the video. Alright, so basically VPNs may not be functioning in Saudi Arabia due to increased government restrictions and technical measures aimed at controlling internet access. So now, the reasons for VPN disruptions. So I've been on a few different Reddit forum posts here, and they're pretty much saying three different reasons. So government censorship, detection and blocking of VPN traffic, and ISP level restrictions. So with the government censorship, Saudi Arabia employs strict internet censorship, blocking access to content deemed inappropriate or politically sensitive. VPNs which can bypass these restrictions are often targeted for blocking to maintain control over accessible content. Detection and blocking of VPN traffic. So advanced technologies like deep packet inspection, DPI, are used to detect and block VPN traffic. VPNs lacking features are more susceptible to being blocked. And ISP level restrictions. So internet service providers in Saudi Arabia may implement their own restrictions, leading to inconsistent VPN performance across different networks. So some users on Reddit have reported widespread VPN connectivity issues across various services and ISPs in Saudi Arabia. For instance, one user noted that NordVPN wasn't working on any protocol, while ExpressVPN functioned only on the OpenVPN TCP protocol, but with reduced speed. Another user also mentioned that both NordVPN and ExpressVPN stopped working on Mobily and Zain networks. So now I've got some possible solutions. So you can switch VPN protocols. So some users have found success by switching to different VPN protocols such as OpenVPN. You can also use VPNs with obfuscation or stealth protocols can help mask VPN traffic, making it harder for DPI technologies to detect and block them. You can also try different servers. So connecting to various servers, especially those in different regions, might improve connectivity. But it's important to note that while using a VPN is not illegal in Saudi Arabia, accessing prohibited content for a VPN can lead to legal consequences. Always ensure that your online activities comply with local laws and regulations.